Today we have to discuss about the topic is gingival cyst of newborns in cyst and tumors. It is usually derived from dental lamina, so it is called as a odontogenic cyst because this kind of cyst mostly derived from the dental lamina. Based on location, it is classified into dental lamina cyst of newborn, bones nodule, Epstein pills. These three kind of cysts mostly seen in the infants or newborn babies only. In dental lamina cyst of newborn or gingival cyst, it is multiple, solitary and superficial nodules on the alveolar ridge. It is derived from the rest of dental lamina. This kind of dental lamina leads to the formation of this dental remnants later disappear, but sometimes this dental remnants will get accumulated that lead to the formation of this kind of cyst. This cyst lining epithelium produce keratin-like materials and filled with the lumen is filled with keratin. In Bohn's nodule, the keratin-filled cyst scattered over the palate. At the same time, it is also seen in the alveolar ridge and scattered over the palate. Mostly seen at the junction of hard palate and soft palate. It is derived from palatal salivary gland structure. In Epstein pills, the keratin filled nodules along the mid-palatine raphe because in embryonic stage there is a fusion of two palate. As a result, the epithelial entrapment occurs that leads to the formation of cyst. So it is seen in the mostly in mid-palatine raphe here like this because there is leads to the formation of this kind of Epstein Barr cyst. In clinical features, there is a presence of small discrete white swelling of the alveolar ridge. It is asymptomatic and do not produce any discomfort in the infant. Why the white swelling? Because the white swelling is due to that keratin filled material leads to the formation of white swelling. Histology, these are true cysts. Why these are called true cysts? Because the epithelial lining separated from the other type of tissue. At the same time, this epithelium produces keratin materials. So this is a true cyst and lack of Reti process because there is sometimes containing inflammatory cells lead to the lack of Reti process because whatever cyst having due to that inflammation, there is a lack of Reti process. So here also Reti process is lacked. And dystrophic calcification also seen in the lumen. And the hyaline bodies of Ruston also will be seen in the lesson. What is hyaline bodies of Ruston? It is called as Ruston bodies. It is seen in the lining epithelium. So these Ruston bodies is highly eosinophilic, elongated and arched. It is present in the lining epithelium of odontogenic cyst. So it is called as odontogenic cyst. The treatment, that is the no treatment because it will later disappear, so there is no need of any treatment. Thank you.